Once you send somebody some money, can you cancel the transaction with the Cash App? The simple answer is no. Once you send somebody money, that person has that money. It's instantly. So if you was trying to send them $20 and you accidentally put another zero on it and you hit send and they get the money, that person is going to be happy. Now you can request the money back, and more than likely it'll probably take them a couple of days to get it back to you, or maybe that person might just ignore you. So I'm gonna just go back here on the top right side. You see that clock sign? I'm gonna click on it. And I did a test this morning. I sent my daughter Michaela $2. So if you look to the right, you see those three dots. I'm gonna click that and go down to the bottom where it says support. And you see where it says cancel a payment. I clicked on that. It doesn't cancel the payment. It just gives you instruction. It says Cash App payments are instantly and usually cannot be canceled. So these payments can't be canceled. Like I said, if you actually make sure you type in the right amount. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And